Anybody who is a marketer or a business owner or anybody who is generally interested in AI video, you can stop watching this video. Now, for the rest of you, we know that AI is changing the game of marketing and specifically AI video. AI is rewriting how we connect, create, and grow with respect to business and with respect to marketing for sure. And if we are not ahead of it, we're already left behind. Let me ask you this. What's your AI video strategy? If your answer is tools like ChatGPT, Runway, Midjourney, and InVideo, then you've already lost the game. You're missing the bigger picture. Tools definitely help you get things done, but they don't tell you what needs to be done, how it needs to be done, and what it has to deliver to go ahead and achieve that business goal that you have in mind through your video. Tools do not create impact. Strategy, creativity, and execution do. That's why I built this 7-part free AI video series which will get you started with the AI video mastery journey. It's not just about adding another tool to your stack, it's about being at the center and taking over the driver's seat of AI video, whether it is for your business, for your content creation, or AI video in general. Imagine being able to create videos, weave a strategy around the video, which don't just look fancy, but they also they engage audiences, they convert leads, they help you with the analytics, you get your system smart, have a lot of systems powered by AI around your video ecosystem. This is bigger than just a free course. It's the missing link for marketers and businesses who are ready to lead the AI video revolution. That's the gap I'm solving with this free course. The only question is, are you going to act before it's too late? If the answer is yes, sign up for the free course and let me know what you think. My name is Casey. This is AI Sassy signing off. Cheers.